Hello everybody, I'm Richard Holdener and welcome to Speed Secrets. Today we're working with the guys from Camshaft and we're going to show you how to put together some small block Chevy power packages. So let's jump right in and start off with a stock small block Chevy. All of our power packages were run with the same basic short block. That short block included a 4-volt block and forged flat top pistons. Those pistons featured valve reliefs to allow us to run different cam profiles. To establish the baseline, that short block was first equipped with a set of iron 882 heads. Those heads were fed by a factory cast iron 4-barrel intake and quadrajet carburetor. Now run with a factory cam, this combination produced 279 horsepower and 385 foot-pounds of torque. So now that we've established the baseline, let's check out the first of our power packages. To get things started for power package number 1, we made minor changes to all the major components. The short block remained the same, but we upgraded the cylinder heads, camshaft, and induction system. Starting from the top, we replaced that factory quadrajet system with a dual plane RPM air gap and 650 carburetor. We then removed those 882 heads and had larger valves installed and did some minor porting. But the biggest upgrade was the cam swap. We replaced that mild factory cam with a comp PE246H cam. That cam offered a 429/438 lift split, a 203/212 degree duration split, and 110 degree lobe separation angle. And the best thing about this combination is not only did it offer a lot more power, but it also offered the idle and drivability of a stock one, making it ideal for a daily driver or even truck application. Now the power output with this combination jumped from 279 horsepower and 385 foot-pounds to 364 horsepower and 422 foot-pounds of torque. But if power package number 1 isn't enough, check out power package number 2. Stepping up to power package number 2, we still retain the same short block and even the induction system, but we replaced the cylinder heads and camshaft. Now the induction system remained with that dual plane RPM air gap and 650 carburetor, but we replaced the 882 cylinder heads with an aluminum set of ASCAS heads from Speedmaster. Now actually there are a lot of other good choices for small block Chevy heads, especially as cast pieces. There's good stuff from Edelbrock, Promax, even RHS, so it's hard to go wrong with the cylinder head. But the important part was the camshaft. We stepped up from that PE246H cam from Comp Cams up to a more aggressive Extreme Energy XE268H cam. Now that 268 cam offered a 477/480 lift split, a 224/230 degree duration split, and 110 degree lobe separation angle. Now equipped with this combination, power package number 2 produced 421 horsepower and 444 foot-pounds of torque. And what we really liked about this combination is even though we installed a more aggressive cam, this 350 offered more torque than the stock combination, even down at 2500 RPM. We also liked the broad torque curve. This combination exceeded 400 foot-pounds for a 2500 RPM spread, meaning you'll never be at a loss for torque. And yeah, it's possible to go even wilder in camshaft, offer even more cylinder head flow, and a wilder induction system. But these two power packages are perfect for your daily driven performance application. I'm Richard Holder. That's all the time I have. I want to thank the guys at Comp Cams. Join me next time on Speed Secrets.